Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Thank you so much for stopping by and welcome to my studio. As you can see, I am holding a very feminine looking pretty in pink, I call it my pretty in pink Christmas wreath that I will be using here in my studio for the holiday season. To make something similar, I have a video for you, and if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. It's coming right up. For those of you who are new here, please remember to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below in the description or on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen. And don't forget to click on the bell that will notify you whenever I post a new video. To make this wreath, you will need a 15-inch white Christmas wreath purchased at the Dollar Tree. And check online for those of you who are in the US, because a lot of the products I am using in these Christmas crafts are available online. I also use a Christmas ornament of the sparkly angel wings with the faux fur and a bunch of pink poinsettia floral stems. Just fluff out the wreath a little bit just to make it look a little bigger. Note that I use hot glue and a glue gun in the making of this project and a lot of the projects in these videos, but you don't have to do that. You can use any type of adhesive that you have that you find would work well with this. And I just use the glue gun and hot glue because it is quicker. My tip for you when working with these very glittery ornaments is to spray them thoroughly with some hairspray or any type of fixative that you have. It will reduce the amount of glitter that falls off. The next thing I do here, and I think this is another neat trick, is to use one of the little branches from the wreath to poke through the loop of the ornament. This will make the ornament hang in there, if you can say that, if I can say that, just a little bit more solidly. And of course I'm going to use some glue also to glue down that little thread loop to the branch on the wreath. I hope you enjoyed my latest video of Christmas crafting with Dollar Tree and making my pretty in pink wreath here. You can make a wreath like this, of course, in green and more traditional colors, or a white one and other colors. The possibilities are endless at Dollar Tree. They have so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the series of videos I have for you. There are links below in the description and in the iCards leading you to where the other videos in this series are about Christmas crafting at the Dollar Tree. Thank you so very much for coming along with me on this little journey, and I hope to see you next time, and until then, stay crafty. Bye!